the choir of the dummy to pink the thing, and then she sang a song.
Oh.
You don't have any. You see this old lady, and she's dressed beautifully.
Oh, just charming.
She's got a beautiful wooden necklace and silver necklace.
Yes.
And she has some nice trickle bracelets on.
Oh, yes.
And
Dolled up.
And she's got a long, pretty dress on, even though it is a house coat. It's a pretty dress. And I think she has a tire on the bill. Anyhow.
Didn't you have a scarf on? Nellie have a scarf on around her head, too?
Oh, she might have had a scarf.
Seems to me there was
I don't remember Nellie had a scarf, but maybe she. I thought Nellie had a lot of jewelry around her.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
definitely.
lots of jewelry.
Lots of jewelry. And she had this nice, long, pretty petticoat, pretty night shirt that acted as a dress, and it was all color. It was a house coat she had.
Yes, it
A
was.
summer house coat.
She was comfy in it, I bet.
And she was comfy in it. And they sent her out to another room to get dressed. And she came in. Oh, this is at the Alliance Church.
Oh, yeah.
And she did her act. And you know what?
What?
Your son, who was a preacher, up and said, I don't know if I should tell you or not, but that's my mother. The poor guy was so overawed that he couldn't do it. That was his mother.
Yeah.
He couldn't believe that his mother could do what she did. Oh, I was a good stinker. I could. But they should have known. They should have known I trained myself. Do you know how I trained myself to be smart?
No.
And be versatile and all the rest of it, was doing stenograph stories for you kids, because they were all different. They had put on different voices and
Yes, I remember that.
and I had to make one time for a thing at the kids club at the Alliance. I made a bed, a house scene of kids getting out of bed and you know, getting yawny, but then being dressed and coming downstairs and eating a nice breakfast. And that was the way the kids were supposed to get up in the morning. That's how I taught them to be good kids.
There you go.
Get up in the morning. I want you to know, I stenciled it all by myself.
There you go.
Yes, you did.
I stenciled it all by myself. I wasn't so dumb as people thought I was.
No, you were never dumb.
I just held it in enough that I fooled them every once in a while.
Hey.
Oh.